To open a demo trading account with Deltastock, you need to have a Harvard degree. Wait, no, that's wrong. All you need is a computer, tablet or smartphone and absolutely no money. Our practice accounts are 100% free of charge. Just go to deltastock.com, click on the Open a Free Demo Account button and fill in the form. Hit Start Trading and you're good to go. If you wish to receive our daily technical analysis emails, simply tick the checkbox under the registration form. Couldn't get any easier, you say, but it can, and it does. Instead of filling in the 2 registration fields, you can simply click on the Facebook or Google login buttons. That's it, you clicked on a single button and we created your brand new free account for you. Want to trade mobile instead? No worries, go to your App Store and download DT Mobile. Then log in with Facebook or Google or register a new account straight from the app itself. Your trading is now in your pocket. Now that you have created your practice trading account, all you need to do is start trading.